The fastest way to measure energy. New EMpro energy meters acquire your energy data and communicate it quickly and easily to control and management systems. The Rogowski measuring input saves a great deal of time during wiring and configuration. Rogowski coils from any manufacturer can be connected directly without the need for a measuring transducer. Configure and integrate the devices in 3 simple steps via the intuitive web-based installation wizard. Set up the communication interface, select the grid type, configure the current and voltage measuring inputs. For rapid troubleshooting, simply export the configuration data and error lists. Errors and alarm statuses are displayed in color. Deactivating the interfaces protects your energy and configuration data from unauthorized access. Shutting down operating elements at the device will also prevent fraudulent operations on-site. EMpro, it's easy energy management.